Hello dear students, welcome to a physics online class. I am your physics teacher. Dear students, last class we conducted a one test for 20 marks based on the chapter 4 and pressure. I hope all are understood the chapter, but so many students are didn't attend the test, and who attend the test it is very good, and I give a feedback to them already. I given a result to them. So who got out of 20 out of 20, I would like to congratulate them, and who got the less marks, then just I will say it is a beginning of your 8th standard. Now you have to begin your study from now onwards, then you will get a very good marks in the upcoming examination or a test. So here in the last class we were discussing about the friction. So friction is a necessary we will or a not. So that thing we are discussed in the last class. So in this class we have to discuss about the next concept, that is increasing or decreasing the friction. So how the friction is increases and how the friction is reduces. By increasing the friction, is there any necessity or is there any useful to the human being, or by decreasing the friction is there any useful to us, that we have to discuss in this video. ಸೊ ಫ್ರಿಕ್ಷನ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಫ್ರಿಕ್ಷನ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಇದೆನಾ ಅಥವಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಫ್ರಿಕ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ ಬೈ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಫ್ರಿಕ್ಷನ್, what is the use of the increasing the friction, that we have to discuss. So sole of a shoes is grooved. So already I told this example, when you purchase a new shoes or a slippers, just you observe the thickness or a groove soles. So that thickness will be a more, and when you are trying to use that slippers or shoes, that is going to groove andre saviyodu, so savita barutte. So why that thing is going to happen in the case of the shoes. And the next second case, tires of a car, trucks and a bulldozer, cycles, any vehicles you can consider. So tires also going to get a groove. Why means why they are going to get a grooves? ಯಾಕೆ ಚಪ್ಪಲು, ಶೂಸು, ವಾಹನಗಳ ಟೈರ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಸವಿತಾ ಬರ್ತವೆ? ವೈ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಫ್ರಿಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದಟ್ road and the tires of the vehicle or soles of shoes. So because of that friction is increases between that shoes and the road and tires and road, so it makes a grips to them. So when there is a grip between the tires of a vehicles with the road and shoes with sole with the shoes with the road, then we will get a grip to walk and to ride a vehicle. So because of that reason a friction is very very important. So what is that? By increasing the friction we can walk properly and we can use the vehicles with a neat manner. Yes, ಆ ಒಂದು ಫ್ರಿಕ್ಷನ್ ನಮಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಾವು ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ನಡೆದಾಡಬಹುದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ವಾಹನಗಳನ್ನ ಚಲಾಯಿಸಬಹುದು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಇಂಟರಾಕ್ಷನ್ or because of the friction between those two things. A third example, brakes of a vehicles. So you know the bicycle, bike, car. Just I will give the example of a bicycle. When we are applying the brake, and that you can observe that for the tire. Yes, for this tire we are observing the clutch, we can say that. Yes, then it will going to grips. Yes, going to get a grip by applying the brake. So when it will get the grip, the bicycle is going to stop. So there will be a friction between the brake, this wheel and that brake. So because of that reason we are going to stop the vehicle or a bicycle if anything is needed. ಆ ಒಂದು ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಕೂಡ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಒಂದು ಫ್ರಿಕ್ಷನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಬೈ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಫ್ರಿಕ್ಷನ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ದ brakes to the any vehicle, bicycle, car, bike, any vehicle you can consider. Playing of a kabaddi. Do you know kabaddi? Yes, it is our deshi ata. We are calling our local game. So you are already may play with the kabaddi game. So when a fielder enters into another team, that just observe, they will take a mud or a soil to that hand, they will rub to their hands. Why they are going to rub the hands with by the sand? Yes, do you know that? ಕಬಡ್ಡಿ ಆಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮಣ್ಣನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹಿಂಗೆ ತಿಕ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು. ಯಾಕೆ ತಿಕ್ತಾರೆ? ಸೊ that sand is gives a grips to them to hold the opposite teamers or opposite players. Because of that reason kabaddi players are using the sand to their hands. ಹೌದಾ, ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ ಚಪಾತಿ ಪೂರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹಿಟ್ಟನ್ನು ಹಚ್ಚಿ ನಮಗೆ ಚಪಾತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಫ್ರಿಕ್ಷನ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಜಾರೋದು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಮೋರ್ ಫ್ರಿಕ್ಷನ್ ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ದ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಟೀಮ್ players properly. So because of that reason the kabaddi players are using the sands to their hands. You observed this? Yes, now you got the reason why they are using the hands to why they are using the sand to their hands. ಸೊ ಕಬಡ್ಡಿ ಆಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಆ ಮಣ್ಣನ್ನ ಹಚ್ಕೊಂಡು ಫ್ರಿಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಆಟವನ್ನ ಆಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ದ friction. And for reducing the friction, by reducing the friction is there any necessary? Sprinkle of a fine powder on a carom board. Yes, do you play this carom board? Yes, while we are playing a carom board, we are sprinkling the powder. So why means, if you sprinkle the powder, then whatever the coins are there, the coins are moves very freely and fastly. So because of that reason we are using the powder on a carom board. That powder is reduces the friction between the coin and board. ಆ ಒಂದು ಪೌಡರ್ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಫ್ರಿಕ್ಷನ್ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಫ್ರಿಕ್ಷನ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ದ ಕ್ಯಾರಮ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ವೆರಿ ನೀಟ್ಲಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಗ್ರೀಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ಸ್. Yes, so for example doors are there, so for that doors we have a knot. If it is making any sound, if you use a oil, coconut oil, then the making of a sound will be a decreases. Why means it reduces the friction. And your vehicle you can consider, in that vehicle also there will be a sound comes sometimes. If you use that continuously, or if you didn't use the vehicle continuously, at that time the vehicle machines are get a damage. At that time it produces the more sound. So to reduce the, so if you use the grease or oil between the parts of the vehicle, what is the friction is there, that friction is going to reduces and the vehicles can move very fastly. And you may observe in the wheels of a bicycle that cherries are present. Yes, small balls are present. Yes, bearings, ball bearings we are calling. So why we are using the ball bearings means to reduce the friction and to move the vehicles very fastly. Not only in the case of the vehicles, in case of the machines also we are using the grease and oils to reduce the friction. So the some materials, so that materials we are calling as a lubricant. So what is mean by lubricant? Lubricant are nothing but the materials which reduces the friction, that we are calling as a lubricants. So the lubricants are the materials which reduces the friction. So example for the lubricants is nothing but a oil, grease. Yes. So these materials reduces the friction. So example for the lubricants or oil, grease, yes, etc. So these are the some of the example for the lubricants. So wheels reduces the friction. So you may observe the bags, wheel bags we are calling. Yes, the wheel bags are very easy to carry the luggage. Then we are holding. So why means because of the presence of a wheels to that bag, so that reduces the weight or a mass of that bag, and we can roll that bags very easily. Yes, ಆ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಗಳಿಗೆ ವೀಲ್ ಗಳಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅದು ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಾವು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. that wheels also going to reduce the friction. So because of that reason the bags are consist of a wheel. So that we are calling as a rolling friction. So what is meant by rolling friction? The rolling friction is nothing but the object which are moves as in the form of a roll, or that reduces the friction. So that we are calling as a rolling friction, whereas the rolling friction is less than the static friction. So you know about the static friction and sliding friction. So here also rolling friction is less than the sliding friction and static friction. So the liquids are also going to exert a friction. So liquids and gases together we are calling as fluids. So gases and the liquids we are calling as fluids. The fluids also exerts a friction, that we are calling as a drag, or simply we are calling as fluid friction. We are calling as fluid friction. The friction exerted by fluids, that we are calling as a fluid friction, or simply we are calling as a drag. So this fluid friction is depends on the size and shape of the object and nature of the fluid. So which type of the fluid we are using, that is also depends on the fluid friction. ಆ ಒಂದು ಫ್ಲೂಯಿಡ್ ಫ್ರಿಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಯಾವ ನೇಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫ್ಲೂಯಿಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಫ್ಲೂಯಿಡ್ ಫ್ರಿಕ್ಷನ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ನೋ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಫ್ರಿಕ್ಷನ್, ಸ್ಲೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಿಕ್ಷನ್, ರೋಲಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಿಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂಡ್ fluid friction. So these are the 4 frictions which we are commonly observe. So here whatever the friction, we know that already the liquids and gases also calling as a fluid, these fluids going to exert the friction. Yes, so based on that we are designed a vehicles. So for example liquid water I will consider. So water is also going to exert a friction on that object. So you may observe the shape of the boat. Yes, this is a shape of the boat. So why the shape of the boat is like this means it's to avoid the friction which is exerted by the liquid. So it is just like a fish. If you observe the boats or ships, it just looks like the fish which is an aquatic animal. ಆ ಒಂದು ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಬೋಟ್ಗಳು ಏನು ಶಿಪ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಒಂದು ವಾಟರ್ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಫ್ರಿಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ನಾವು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಬೋಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಶಿಪ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ಫಿಶ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ವೈ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಟು ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ದಿ ಫ್ರಿಕ್ಷನ್. ದ ಬೋಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಸೈನ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಶೇಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ fish, whereas the fish can swim very easily in the fluid or water. So and aeroplanes, so gas, air is a gas, it is also going to exert a friction on a vehicle. So vimana, so planes, yes, the plane is like this. Yes, this plane is as same like of the birds, it's as similar for birds. So just to observe the shape of the birds and aeroplanes or flights. So just to observe this shape of the planes is just like of a birds. So birds are flying in a air. So while they are flying in the air, they will get a friction by the air. To overcome that friction, they are exerting a more force to overcome that friction which is exerting by a gas or a air. So because of that reason, we designed a planes as in the shape of the birds, which reduces the friction to move in a air. ಸೊ ನಾವೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳನ್ನ ಆಧಾರವಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಇಂದ ಮತ್ತೆ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ ಇಂದ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಫ್ರಿಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಬೋಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫಿಶ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ವಿಮಾನವನ್ನ ಏರೋಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ವೈ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಮೇ ಆಸ್ಕ್ why we designed the boat as a shape of the fish and planes as in the shape of the birds. Why means to reduce the fluid friction or a drag. Okay, to reduce that fluid friction, we designed the shape and aeroplanes as in the shape of the fish and birds. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವು ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. I hope all are understood this friction chapter completely. Up to here your friction chapter is going to complete. So in the next class we have to discuss a exercise and a points notes. I will provide a points note just to have to copy down in your physics notes. So if you feel any difficulty, you can ask me. Okay, thank you.